Milestone Systems is pleased to announce the certification of the ACIC activity detection solution with its industry-leading XProtect VMS software. Milestone is a global industry leader in open platform IP video management software, founded in 1998 and now operating as a standalone company in the Canon Group. Milestone technology is easy to manage, reliable, and proven in hundreds of thousands of customer installations, providing flexible choices in network hardware and integrations with other systems. ACIC Analytics is a leading editor of video analytics software. The ACIC product offering is based on vertical, market-oriented software suites in the areas of security, marketing, and intelligent transportation systems, or ITS. Activity Detection is a video analysis program in the ACIC suite of products destined for the security field. It automates real-time video surveillance by triggering an alarm when an expected behavior is detected, such as crossing of a virtual fence or intrusion into a restricted zone. ACIC Activity Detection is a proven, high-performance program that adapts to environmental conditions to drastically reduce false alarms. ACIC Activity Detection is applicable to a number of industries and uses, including public transportation, city surveillance, and video protection. Milestone Technology Partner Certification assures that the ACIC software has been tested and found to work smoothly with Milestone XProtect products, from Express to the top-of-the-line corporate VMS. Integrations such as ACIC Activity Detection extend the capabilities on the base XProtect system, further validating the Milestone open platform philosophy. Let's take a look at some of the functionality gained by combining these two systems. One of the hallmarks of the ACIC solution is efficiency. This begins at setup, where the ACIC solution distinguishes itself by its ease of configuration and quick setup for basic use, while remaining highly customizable for more complex situations. Once the scene context or dimensions information has been entered, new detection rules can be created in a matter of seconds. As an example, let's say we want to know how long people have been spending in a certain zone, like a rest area, and to track it, we want to set up a rule to detect when a person enters the zone and another to detect when a person leaves. If the analytics context for the camera has been configured, creating these rules takes less than a minute. Enter the setup page of the analytics engine using your browser. The blue and yellow lines represent the context information, which must be set up once per camera and has already been entered. Draw the crossing line and the direction we're interested in. Here we draw a line around the rest area and indicate that we're interested in objects entering. We'll use the predefined person object as the object to track. Lastly, create the detection rule specifying that we want to track objects of type 1, that is to say people, crossing line 1 in the indicated direction. We leave the default display information, which is to display the rule status, object tracking, and areas of interest, and we are done. In this case, we wanted to create a separate rule triggering when people cross the same line in the opposite direction, so we draw the same line and create a new rule using the same object type. Entering the XProtect Smart Client, we can see that the information is immediately reflected in our viewing panes, both in live and playback mode. We can see detection rules triggered and displayed immediately. There are, of course, multiple refinements that can be made in terms of object size, minimum and maximum speeds, sensitivity, tracking distance, line height, and so forth, but you can create powerful rules in no time at all. Efficient use of personnel resources is critical to every security environment and one of the drivers of analytic software adoption. ACIC Activity Detection software minimizes false alarms, allowing security personnel to concentrate on true security risks. Intelligent algorithms adjust to the environmental conditions in order to limit false alarms due to parasite movements or changes in lighting. ACIC Activity Detection automatically tracks several types of behaviors in real time. Presence in a zone permitting surveillance of sensitive areas such as car parking lots, port areas, railway lines, and borders. virtual line crossing, enabling perimeters or virtual fences, crossing of a succession of lines, object removal detection to protect against theft of valuables, stationary object detection to alert to possibly dangerous abandoned objects or stopped cars, and advanced motion detection. The ACIC system can also be configured to detect image anomalies as a result of vandalism or wear. The intrusion detection system provides automated detection, eliminating patrols and thereby reducing cost, as well as improved protection of property and critical installations. Consider this simple example. We are monitoring a building which has normal traffic to which we do not want to be alerted. There are two sensitive areas, however, upstairs and one corner office on the ground floor. We want to be alerted when anyone enters or leaves the upstairs area or when someone is near the corner office. We will take advantage of the XProtect rules system to have the system do the following when ACIC detects the target behavior. We will set a bookmark on the video with explanatory text, send an email notification to security, pop up appropriate video to the matrix window, and set an alarm with medium priority requiring attention. This is a small example, but the combinations of triggers and actions permitted by the rules system is vast. Someone enters the field of view of one of our ACIC activity detection enabled cameras, which triggers normal motion detection, but not our ACIC analytics trigger. The matrix window is still blank at this time. Only when he crosses the virtual line leading upstairs is our ACIC event sent to the XProtect server and the corresponding rule triggered. A few moments later, he descends carrying something in his hand, triggering the event again. He crosses the building and enters the view of another ACIC-enabled camera, but doesn't trigger the event until he enters the restricted zone at the back of the view. As desired, we see that bookmarks have been created, a matrix window was populated to view in real time, an email notification was sent, and an alarm created. Making your organization more efficient is something ACIC does not just for your personnel, but also for your hardware by allowing you to use the full computing capabilities of your camera. ACIC activity detection software can run not just on standalone Linux servers, but also as an app on board ACIC ARTPEC 3 and 4 capable cameras. This allows the computational load to be spread across the system while seamlessly presenting the combined results in the XProtect Smart Client. Lastly, and most importantly, the system needs to be reliable. ACIC can boast of low false alarm and detection failure rates due to its proven, high-performance program that adapts to environmental conditions. And Milestone certification means that it will work seamlessly on the XProtect platform without disturbing the normal VMS operation. If you'd like more information on the ACIC Activity Detection Analytics solution and how it complements and enhances Milestone's XProtect VMS, contact either ACIC or Milestone at the following coordinates, or contact your Milestone Regional Sales Manager. Thank you for your attention.